plagiarism means taking and using the ideas, writings, works, or inventions of another as if they were one's own. I know that plagiarism not only includes verbatim copying but also the extensive use of another person's idea without proper acknowledgement, which includes the proper use of quotation marks. I know that plagiarism covers this sort of use of material found in textual sources and from the internet.
I acknowledge and understand that plagiarism is wrong. I understand that my research must be accurately referenced. I have followed the rules and conventions concerning referencing and citation.
I declare that all material in this assignment is my own work and does not involve plagiarism. I have not allowed, nor will I in the future, allow anyone to copy my work with the intention of passing it off as their own work.
Out. We pledge that this is our own work.
We pledge that this is our own work.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.